Hi everyone, this is Katie. Welcome to the DEK Designs Mystery Kit loop. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out how I use the April Mystery Kit in my planner. I'm using the Work Plus Life Happy Planner. So for the loop, after watching my video, make sure to click the link in my description for the next person who is in our loop so you can see how other people in our loop have used their kit. Mystery subscription spots open for signups on the 15th at dekdesigns.com at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you're interested in signing up, make sure to check out the website on the 15th and follow us on Instagram. If you go through the loop and you end up back at this video, that means that you've completed the loop. I'm so excited to show you how I'm going to use this kit. It's so pretty, and I'm excited too to see how our other ambassadors are using the kit. Okay, so for the mystery kit for April, the theme is strawberry themed, and I love the colors of this kit. It's so vibrant, and it's very much like spring, summery type kit. So you get the kit and then you get a bonus item on top of that. And Dawn has been like on a fruit kick for designing. I love that. I love fruit themed stickers. So first, here's the die cut. We have some rose gold foil on it, and it's a strawberry cake with some daisies around it. Super cute. And we have that watercolor red background. And then let's look at the kit. First, we have our full boxes, and we have that rose gold foil on it. The first box is strawberry patch. That's super cute with like a little sign. And then we have some Polaroids with some strawberry pictures on it. And then we have a nice table with strawberry items. And below that, we have that cake that we saw in that die cut, so it's cohesive with that. Some baking materials, a recipe page, just super fun strawberry themed full boxes. And then the next page, we have our Monday through Sunday and our washi tape. Just look at all those strawberries. It's like an explosion of strawberries and so vibrant too. So excited to use this kit. And then we have the next page with our thinner washi, and then we have our checkmark boxes and flags, our headers and glitter headers. I'm just quickly going through these because you're going to see them as I plan. 2 extra full boxes. This box says, "Make today a very good day." I love it. And our heart date dots and all that jazz. And then we have some fashion girl boxes and icons to the left. I love her skirt. That's so pretty. So vibrant. And then after that, we have the deco page. Just look how gorgeous. Probably the deco page is one of my favorite pages. Look at that skirt. So vibrant. I can't get over it. And we have some other items, some oven mitts and just clumps of strawberries. And then this is our functional page. And so these are all the pages that you get with our mystery kit subscription. Remember, spots do open on the 15th. And make sure to go to our website to sign up. This kit that we have here is just exclusive to our mystery kit for April, so it's not available on our website or anything like that. So if you don't want to miss out on the next month's design, make sure to sign up on our website. When I am creating a spread, I look at the full boxes first and I kind of map out where I'm going to put them on my spread. And then from there, I do the rest of the stickers. I just think that the full boxes are really like the main centerpiece for sticker kits. And so I like to make sure that they're pretty like balanced, the colors and such like that throughout my pages, so it looks aesthetically pleasing. So I totally forgot that I wanted to put the die cut in the bottom right hand corner of my spread, so I just peeled that up, and then I saw too that that red kind of clashed with it. No, it didn't clash with it, but like I like to make the colors different throughout the spread, have different colors next to each other, and so I changed that box to the blue box, and then I put the red die cut right there. But first I need to put my washi tape down so then I can layer the die cut on top of that. It kind of helps add dimension to my spread as well, doing it that way by layering it. And there we go. I am done with kind of the big sticker pieces. I'm going to move on to the Monday through Sunday, and I'll quickly just skip through that for you guys because it's not as entertaining. Okay, so I finished with the days of the week and the heart date dots and the thinner washi on the top. Now I'm adding my weekend script, and then I'm going to add some more washi too. I like to put it throughout the spread as well, not just bordering it. I think it like helps break things apart a bit. So after the full boxes and washi are set down, I like to do my headers and my functional pages next to kind of map out where I'm going to be writing the important things or the plans for the day. So I really like using those headers and glitter headers. I think it looks so sleek. And then I have the 3-bow checklist, and I love how it has like the little strawberries in the upper right hand corner. It really just ties everything together. And then I'm using those functional boxes so I can write things throughout the day. And then I have the half scallop circle too I can use as a banner. So I've never actually been to a strawberry like field and picked them before. I feel like that would be such like a fun new thing to do. I have like gone apple picking and to like a lavender field, and I've done that and like had lavender lemonade, but one day I do want to go to a field. I need to like have that on my bucket list. And I've been kind of like on a fruit kick myself. I've been obsessed with clementines lately, and I've been buying them a ton from the store. And I even got to the point where I went back to my paintings, and I decided to paint a canvas with oranges on it. I did accidentally mess it up because I put like the varnish on way too soon and it smeared everywhere, but I'm planning on fixing it soon. So maybe I'll eventually like show you guys on Instagram what my orange canvas looks like. And then this is the final step for me when I'm doing spreads, is putting on the deco stickers. I feel like it really just pulls it all together and makes it look so much more like alive, I guess. I don't know how else to really explain it, but it just fills in some of those blank spaces and it adds more dimension with layering it on top of the other stickers. And then this is my final spread. I am so in love with this. It's so shiny and vibrant, and it makes me want to bake all these strawberry pastries. So again, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my Plan With Me video for our April mystery kit. And like, I still have a ton of stickers left over from what I haven't used for this week. And so this mystery kit subscription is a really good deal because you can definitely spread out these stickers for more than just 1 week if you're wanting to. If you don't want to miss out on our mystery kit subscription designs, make sure to sign up on our website. Spots will be open on the 15th at dekdesigns.com. Thank you so much again for stopping by and watching my Plan With Me video. And make sure to go to the description below so that you can follow the loop. So click the next person's link and you'll be directed to their video and see how they use their sticker kit spread and maybe what planner or journal they used as well. So just go below and click the link, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a fabulous rest of your week, and I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.